Hey, what's up? How you doing? Welcome to another tutorial on DevStack. In this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to build a web application using your mobile phone. So in this tutorial, you're going to be using something we call the Django. So before you get started with Django, all you have to do is just go ahead to Play Store and install py3. So I have it already installed already. So after installing it, to install the Django, you just have to head over to your terminal here. Just type in pip install the Django. Sorry, the Django. Alright, you can see. So I already have it installed. I don't need to run this again. So basically, after you've gotten that installed already, go back to the terminal. Just type in the Django admin. Let's see what it's gonna bring out. Go admin. You can see it's bringing out the command list we can use. So we're gonna be making use of the start project. Alright, so this one here that we're gonna be making use of. So this is gonna be the Django admin start project. The name of our project, this should be, let me call this web app. So this is the project name, this is not the app name. So we have different things in Django. We have the project and we have the app. So we are just building the project which is going to handle the app structure. So just hit enter. It's going to create it for us. So it has been created already. So I think yes, this is stored in our file manager. So let me just head over there. Alright, so you can see now I have it web app here. So this is everything here. It's been created already. So I can just go ahead and just go back to the py3. Right, so this is it here, and I can just cd into the web app. So that is just change directory. I can do python manage dot py dot py run server. So this is gonna run the server for us. So if I click on that, you can see it is loading. Alright, you can see, so it's running. So it is running at 127. It's learning at this host. So let me just select this. 127.0.0.1 port 8000. So go to your Chrome. Just open 127.0.0.1 port 8000. Alright, so let's order. Alright, you can see we have the Django running successfully on our phone. Alright, so this is how we get the Django started. So in the next tutorial, we're gonna be looking how to set up our project and also install our app. See you next time. Thanks for watching.